Welcome to the research world. In this video, you will learn how to create professional infographics for free. These infographics has been developed totally free. Let's follow the steps. First of all, open Google Gemini. Now, write your prompt. You can create your prompt yourself or with help of ChatGPT. Submit your prompt. Google Gemini has created our infographics. Download it. Now check the accuracy and visuals of these infographics. These are just perfect and totally free. Thank you for watching.